Welcome to Chandana Max channel, third B.Sc. Mathematics, multiple integrals and applications of vector calculus, semester 5, paper 6b, third unit, vector differentiation. If a bar is a constant vector, then show that curl a bar cross r bar by r cube equal to minus a bar by r cube plus 3 into r bar by r power 5 into a bar dot r bar. This is one of the most important problem. Solution. Let a bar can be taken as a1i plus a2j plus a3k, and r bar can be taken as xi plus yj plus zk. From this we can calculate magnitude of this vector is root of x square plus y square plus z square. This can also be denoted with r. On differentiating with respect to x, y, z partially, already we learned in last problems also, dou r by dou x equal to x by r, dou r by dou y equal to y by r, dou r by dou z equal to z by r. Squaring on both sides and partial derivative with respect to x, y, z, then we get dou r by dou x equal to x by r, dou r by dou y equal to y by r, dou r by dou z equal to z by r. Now take LHS equal to curl of a bar cross r bar by r cube. Curl means curl f equal to del cross f. Here this is the function. This equal to del I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z del cross f, a bar cross r bar by r cube. If we are doing problem, then cross multiplication can be done with det, but here general vectors are r bar and a bar, then we are taking del means I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z, and the function is a bar cross r bar by r cube. Once again, curl f problems are done by using det method. Here we are doing this problem with general vectors. So del means this notation, and f can be taken as this value, I cross partial derivative of this function. So this cross product is applied at I cross dou by dou x of a bar cross r bar by r cube plus j cross dou by dou y of a bar cross r bar by r cube plus k cross dou by dou z of a bar cross r bar by r cube. This sum of terms can be taken as sigma I cross dou by dou x of a bar cross r bar by r cube. So first we have to calculate this value and apply similarly. That's why we are taking this sum as sigma notation. Sigma I cross dou by dou x of a bar cross r bar by r cube. First we have to calculate here this value. After that, similarly, so take this value. This can be taken as a equation 1. In this term also, first we are doing a partial derivative of a bar cross r bar by r cube with respect to x. After that, I cross multiplication. So first we have to do partial derivative of this value. Take dou by dou x of a bar cross r bar by r cube. This is equal to dou by dou x of 1 by r cube into a bar cross r bar by dou by dou x of a bar cross r bar by r cube can be taken as a 1 by r cube into a bar cross r bar. So 1 by r cube can be taken as u, a bar cross r bar can be taken as v, since in derivatives u into v equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash. Apply this formula to here. U 1 by r cube into derivative of v a bar cross r bar plus v into means a bar cross r bar into derivative of 1 by r cube. Again, this bracket can be treated as u into v. 1 by r cube u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u plus a bar cross r bar dou by dou x of r power minus 3 1 by r cube a bar dou r bar by dou x. Dou r bar by dou x means partial derivative of r bar with respect to x. Since r bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk, then partial derivative of r bar with respect to x is 1 into I, remaining terms derivative is 0. So finally I plus r bar derivative of a bar. In the given problem, a bar is a constant vector. So derivative of a constant is 0 plus a bar cross r bar. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Apply this formula to here. N into r power n minus 1 into derivative of r 1 by r cube a bar I plus a bar cross r bar minus 3 r power minus 4. Partial derivative of r with respect to x is x by r a bar I by r cube plus into minus minus 3 a bar cross r bar into 1 by r power 4 into x by r. This is equal to a bar I by r cube minus 3x minus 3x a bar cross r bar by r power 5. This is the partial derivative of a bar cross r bar by r cube. Here UV formula with the cross product. So we are applying cross value. Once again, here we are applying derivative formula with the cross multiplication. So we have to apply cross multiplication symbol here. from 1 sigma I cross dou by dou x of a bar cross r bar by r cube. Now we are calculating this value. Now apply the cross multiplication. I take I cross dou by dou x of a bar cross r bar by r cube. After that we are applying sigma notation. I cross dou by dou x of a bar cross r bar by r cube value is a bar cross r bar, a bar cross I bar by r cube minus 3x a bar cross r bar by r power 5. This value is we are getting now. So I cross, multiply this I cross a bar cross I bar by r cube minus, multiply with this I cross a bar cross r bar by r power 5 into 3x. This is equal to, take this as A, B, C. This is in the form of A cross B cross C equal to A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. This is the formula in Intermax 1A vectors. Now apply these formulas to here. A dot I into B A bar minus A dot B I dot A into C I by r cube minus 3x I dot r bar into a bar minus I dot a bar into r bar by r power 5. Now apply the values I dot I 1, a bar dot I bar. So a bar vector with the dot product I. Take a bar a1i plus a2j plus a3k. Then a bar dot I bar, dot product with I. So dot product means I terms, jj terms and kk terms. Here only dot product with I. Then quotient of I is a1. Dot product with j, I dot j 0, I dot k 0. Hence we are getting a bar dot I equal to a1. Next r bar dot I bar. So take r bar and dot product with I, only I quotient. Now apply these values here. Here this formula is important. This equal to I dot I 1 a bar minus a bar dot I a1 I by r cube minus 3x r bar dot I అంటే x a bar minus a bar dot I a1 r by r power 5. A bar minus a1i by r cube minus 3x square a bar by r power 5 minus into minus plus 3x a1 r by r power 5. Now we are applying sigma notation to this calculation. So sigma a bar minus a1i by r cube minus 3x square a bar by r power 5 plus 3x a1 r by r power 5. Apply sigma notation to each term. Sigma a bar. From 1, we are taking the sigma notation to I cross dou by dou x into a bar cross r bar by r cube plus j cross dou by dou y a bar cross r bar by r cube plus k cross dou by dou z a bar cross r bar by r cube. So here sigma notation for 3 terms. That's why we are taking sigma a bar as a bar plus a bar plus a bar 3a bar. Next sigma a1i, expand sigma notation a1i, after that a2j plus a3k. This is a bar vector. Next sigma x square, expand this sigma to next 2 terms x square plus y square plus z square. This can be taken as r square. Next sigma a1 ax, a1x plus a2y plus a3z, a1i plus a2j plus a3k dot xi plus yj plus zk. This can be taken as a bar dot r bar. This equal to sigma a bar 3a bar by r cube minus sigma a1i a bar by r cube minus 3a bar into sigma x square r square by r power 5 plus 3r sigma a1x a bar dot r bar by r power 5. So 3a bar by r cube minus a bar by r cube minus 3a bar by r cube plus 3r a bar dot r bar by r power 5. 3a bar by r cube minus 3a bar by r cube can be cancelled. Then we get minus a bar by r cube plus 3r here this r bar, this is r bar. So no cancellation of this and this. This is r bar, this is r power 5. 3 r bar a bar dot r bar by r power 5. This is RHS. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.